Coach Andrea Hinds, Spanish Town High School.
All right, coach. Disappointing result, but you guys went in nil all at the first half. What went wrong in the second half?
Second half, the discipline. Just overall the discipline. As I said, when you're playing home games and the families and friends is around the boys, it's one of the most difficult things to keep the boys disciplined because they listen to persons around them. But we lost the discipline and we didn't capitalize in areas where we should, and that just cost us. We conceded a goal, a penalty, and we just gave up after that. But it's boys and they are young, so they're going to make mistakes.
Yeah, as I said, you can see the penalty and you can see the body and the head drop.
Yeah.
You think psychologically, you think that's something that you need to work on?
Most like 90% of these boys, their first time ever playing Manning Cup. So you can only prepare for a game, but what actually happens in the game is it's up to the win. We did all we could as it relates to their preparation. We got 2 red cards in the last game, and that would have been 2 of our starting players that we're really depending on. And when you lose 2 of your starting player with a thin squad against the defending champions, it's not going to be easy.
Yeah, but
it's not going to be
against
easy.
the defending champion, you guys still show for that and express yourself. What's your assessment of the team performance? You think that's a good look going forward, knowing that it's a relative new team?
Yeah, as it relates to following instructions for the first half, I can't complain. They followed it to the T. We were disciplined. We forced them to make changes. As you could see, they made about 5 changes in the first half, taking off some of their more better strike force. And we were much disciplined. So I have to give them credit for that for the first 45 minutes. But as we went along about 10-15 minutes midway the second half, we lost the discipline after we conceded that penalty. But overall, I'm not going to kill them. They're boys, and all we can do is work on it, go back to the drawing board and prepare for the next game at JC.
All right, coach. Well done.